Thank you. So I'm back for also.
You got it all going on with your body. You got it all, baby. Your papa, mama Burundi, my African star, baby. Na umeumbwa ukaumbika, yeah.
Hey guys, what is up and welcome back to my channel. It is me, it is I, Baby Cooks, and welcome back to another vlog. I don't know if you guys can tell, but I woke up not so long ago. I got a call from one of the representatives from the marketing team at Transcorp Hilton. So they called to check up on me during this lockdown, find out how I'm doing, you know, all that. And the best part of the call was the offer to do my laundry, guys. Like, that is a way to my heart. It is, like, to do my laundry, wow, that is major. So yeah, they called to, you know, ease the stress from me. So yeah, they asked me to pick a few pieces and they'll come pick it up, do the laundry and return it when they're done, and I am so here for it. So I'm just going to pull out my bed sheets, my duvet, my pillowcases, and some of my clothes as well, and put them in a bag and just cross my leg and be waiting for them to come and pick it up. Okay guys, so I have the bag here. Best believe this is not all my laundry, but they said a few items. Yeah, next week Friday. Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
I'll give you that. Alright, thank you. So as you all saw, they came, they've checked everything, they documented it as well, and I have my receipt over here. Welcome. Ooh. Good afternoon. Guys, my laundry is here so fast, less than 4 days, 2 days, yeah, and it's nicely packaged, as you can see. Thank you guys so much. Amazing. This is really nice. So first off, getting my laundry, like I said earlier, I noticed it was very well packaged. I told them I wanted this hung, and as you can see, you have the Transcorp Hilton logo over here, and these are some of my other clothes. In this bag, which also has their logo, you have my bed sheets, washed, ironed, folded. Famous apron, you guys have seen. It deserved some TLC, so I gave it some. But anyway, that is it. Thank you so much, Transcorp, for helping a girl out with her laundry. I really, really appreciate it. Now let's get back on with the vlog.
reaching for the open door, but you know what to say to keep me here. Feeling always left unheard. I'm hanging on your words that aren't sincere. Trapped by reality, freed by my imagination.
Okay, yeah, that's it. Good morning, guys. It's Sunday morning. Yeah, in case you hear any sound, they're working at the back, so it's really disturbing. But the show must go on. So yeah, today I'm going to be filming a collab video. I don't know how this looks. Guys, this is my new apron, by the way. I'm sure some of you were tired of seeing the old one. Hallelujah, I got a new one. Also, did I mention that this vlog is going to feature your girl washing plates? Yeah, that's right. Roll the clip. Guys, so unfortunately NEPA just did its damn thing, but I'm still going to make breakfast, more like brunch, because I woke up late and it's already like past 1 now. So this is going to be like a brunch type vibe, but we move still, okay? I just remembered one of my very old recipes I used to make in Cyprus. It's just avocado toast. So I'm going to be making avocado toast, and I'm not a fan of avocado. I don't know if I've mentioned before. The only way I get to eat it is if I incorporate it in maybe like an avocado toast, so where there's pepper, salt, lemon or lime juice, and you know, all that shebang, or I put it in a wrap. So I eat it with chicken wrap or beef wrap or whatever wrap I'm making. So first off, we have our avocado. So I just peeled and put it in this plastic bowl. This is what it looks like right here. It's actually been in my fridge for days, so it's good. I'm making use of it right now. Next, I'm going to be slicing up a lemon, and I'm going to be using half of it. So this is my lemon right here. Okay. Okay, so I've cut up my onions, green pepper, yellow pepper, and a bit of garlic that I'm going to be adding into the avocado and lime juice mix. So first off, I'll be adding the onions, the green pepper, yellow pepper, and the garlic. It smells amazing. This is what it looks like. I'm just going to mash everything together. By the way, in case the whole light changes, it's the weather. I'm filming with natural light and it looks like it's about to rain. It better not rain. I'm trying to film a video today, please. It's not completely mashed yet. That is because I want to go ahead to add the black pepper and a bit of salt just for some taste and an extra kick. So I'm just going to be adding a smidgen of black pepper. Yeah. As you guys saw, I eyeballed all my ingredients, so I really hope it's perfect. Perfect or not, this is brunch. We have to eat. Okay, so we're going to go ahead to taste. Guys, it's so good. I'm just going to be adding some more salt. This tastes amazing. No lights still. So yeah, the gas works with the lights, but now there's no lights. I'm going to go ahead to light some matches. Real quick. This is the bread I'm going to be using. Due to the fact that there's no lights, we're going to use the washing machine as our stand, just because this is where I get the best lights. But anyway, hallelujah, they just brought the light. Okay, I'm excited. They just brought the lights. I'm currently boiling water for my tea. yeah. So I'm back from the kitchen. My tea is ready, as you can see. So this is the tea. I'm having blueberry and apple tea. Really like it. I also added some sugar because yeah, I need something sweet. Oh, with the sugar it tastes so much better. I mean, you can opt for honey or some type of sweetener, but I don't have any. I just have sugar, so I just use that and it tastes really good. So I'm done eating. I'm about to quickly do my makeup because I'm going to be doing a collab video today. I'm very excited and nervous about that, but yeah, I'm just going to do my makeup now and I'll see you guys when I am done. Okay, just hang in there. So I'm ready to film, but my hair is doing the most right now. So guys, this is my makeup. Something simple. I just did a colored lip. That's pretty much it. Little to no eyeshadow. What do you guys think? Am I popping or not? Boys and girls of all ages, the time is almost 5:30, 15 minutes past 5. From 12 o'clock. If I talk now. Shit, this is bad.
Are you okay?
Okay.
Yeah, I'm fine.
This is night.
We haven't talked in months, but that's alright. Was wondering if you wanted to go for a drive. I just need some fresh air and an old friend. I'm so glad that we started talking again. You'll turn up the radio. I love this.
Yeah, 1,000 likes seems appropriate. Yeah, 1,000 likes seems appropriate.
So empty, this is so damn calm. If we stay
Hey guys. Hey guys, so I don't know if you guys can tell, I'm already tipsy. I just finished filming a video with this is all I took and I'm already like waved, so I have to go and make myself noodles to eat. I can't come and dine. So yeah,
I got my hand out the window, feeling the ocean.